Igqala lomzabalazo uBaw'uAndrew Mlangeni uchazwe njengomntu obesoloko ebeka iimfuno zoluntu phambili engazijongelanga nzuzo ngolusuku lwanamhlanje lokubhiyozela usuku lwakhe lokuzalwa efinca iminyaka eyi-95. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umchaze uBaw'uMlangeni njengomntu obesoloko enika umbutho olawulayo weANC iingcebiso nakwimiba yoluntu.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uchaze umakade ayibona weANC uAndrew Mlangeni njengeqhawe elibe nesibindi elayibamba ishisa ngezikhathi zomzabalazo. Namhlanje uMlangeni nokuyena yedwa usadla anhlamvana kubuholi bukakhongolose obabulisana nohulumeni wobandlululo ubehlanganisa iminyaka engama-95 ubudala. Yize iningi labantu manje bebheka impilo yobukhazikhazi nemali phambili, kepha uMlangeni usaloke ezithobe njalo futhi ehlala ebheka ukusebenzela abantu phambili.
Today we pay tribute to a man whose life has been rich, but not in the material sense, rewarding, but not with title or position, and fulfilling, but never blighted by arrogance or conceit.
Owabe ngumongameli uGqala uthi kumele izakhamuzi zakuleli zibonge iqhaza elabanjwa nguMlangeni ekuletheni inkululeko kulelizwe.
You have lived your life with passion and action.
uThabo Mbeki naye wayengumongameli wezwe uthi ujabule ukuthi uMlangeni wasebenzela ukhongolose ngokweqiniso.
Your whole life is a life of principle, a life of integrity, a life of commitment to the struggle, a life of love for your people, and a determination to do whatever you needed to do to make sure that all of us are free.
Ukhongolose nokuyikhaya likaMlangeni kwezombusazwe limthengele ikhekhe njengesipho sokugubha iminyaka engama-95 adla anhlamvana. Esinye isifiso sikaMlangeni ukubona iANC iphumelela ekulweni nenkohlakalo. NginguSamkele Maseko weZindaba zeSABC eGoli.